What are you kicking me?
She found out how to kick you. You gonna get TT?
You're gonna get me. She's too scared now, so I'm gonna push her down.
Watch out, lose her hands down. Lexi, get TT, pull her hair. She said, nope, you got that damn camera on me. Nobody's gonna see how mean I am. Meanie! Come on. Now you look like the meanie. Oh, you look mean now, Liz. You pushed the baby down.
I was rubbing her stomach.
Yeah, you pushed the baby down.
I was just holding her hand. I swear. Now she's attacking things. Lexi.
Crack kills.
Look what Cuddle did. Dad!
Stupid dog. Dad's in the shower.
She's pinching me.
Are you pinching?
You pinched me. Stop pinching me. You see that? She was trying to hit me. Oh, now she's trying to bite me.
Lexi. Cuddles. Oh my god. Why are you always tearing something up, you stupid dog? I don't want to clean this up.